Can you actually make money with $5 a day Facebook ads? Yes, and this was only $4. I fooled you. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Zach, the guy with only $4 in his wallet, and if you're new to the channel, learn all the secrets of the e-commerce world simply by subscribing to my channel and hitting that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. And in this video, I have to apologize right off the bat. I'm a little bit rushed. I'm heading to Universal soon, but you know that I'm always on the grind. I always gotta be uploading videos pretty much every single day, except when I don't do that and then my views plummet. But this is just a little bit of a quick video, and it's something that I see people asking all the time, and there's a lot of concerns about it, so I felt I'd address it in its own video right here. And the question is, can I make money just running $5 a day Facebook ads? And my answer is yes. However, there are some drawbacks to it, and there are some situational things that I'm going to touch on in this video. Also, I got called a malnourished Ryan Gosling in my last live stream, so now I'm really loading up on the protein shakes. Insecurity. Anyway, $5 a day PPE ads. Sounds really nice, right? Like $5 isn't that much money, and making money off of only having to invest $5 a day. How exactly does that work? Well, I'm gonna lead this video with a story of how I actually went about making money with $5 a day PPE ads. Now, I need you to take this with a grain of salt, and I need you to not just jump into things thinking this is gonna work for you, okay? I've run some other stores, I've helped some other people with their stores, and this strategy does not always work, okay? Very situational. However, here is the plan for $5 a day ads, right? This is what I did. So I initially launched $5 a day PPE ads to kind of test the waters. I did it to test out audiences, to test out different product images, and to test out different products, right? Well, one day, I got a sale, okay? This was actually my first sale I ever got, was off of a $5 PPE ad. And I was like, okay, that's really interesting. Now, when I had just started, I didn't really know too much about Facebook ads, so I was like, okay, I'll just keep running a few more. So I put up a few more $5 PPE ads for different variants of this product, and they all did really, really well. And I was like, okay, that's kind of bizarre. I've heard people say I need to try conversions, so let me go ahead and do that. So I did the whole conversion tactic, like in my past, I think it was 2 videos ago, I talked about a Facebook ad strategy that's like the shotgun method, where you do a ton of different ads. I did that, and really nothing was working as well as the PPE ads were working for me. I was actually getting a ridiculous ROI just based off of the Facebook $5 ads, and that's it. It was only $5 PPE, and that's it. Now here's the thing, you can't really succeed with $5 a day conversion ads. Now, of course, you can run $5 a day conversion ads to test ads. However, they're not going to optimize if you're only running them at $5. So beyond the testing phase, you need to absolutely raise the budget on conversion ads. However, PPE ads I've seen can stay at $5 a day and get pretty consistent reach and pretty consistent sales, you know, and this is all situational, but it can get pretty consistent sales, and throughout the course of a couple of months. A couple of the ad sets that I've run have run for 3, 4, 5 months getting consistent sales before they finally started to die out, and then all you have to do is just like remake them, maybe switch a little thing, and then that's it. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's my niche, the products I'm selling, or what, but they really, really perform well when I'm simply running $5 a day PPE ads off of them. They get a very healthy reach, and they usually get, I mean, I pretty much consistently make money when I do have the ad sets running. Now here's the main thing right here. I don't just run 1 or 2 ad sets. No, I generally have about 10 of these $5 a day ad sets running at all times per product. So what this allows the ads to do is that some of the ads can perform pretty well and make a good return, because I have a very high profit margin on this item, right? So one sale off of a $5 PPE ad nets me about $10 profit for the day after ad spend, after product cost, after shipping, all of that. $10 profit, right? So that makes up for 2 ads that perform absolutely crap and don't make anything that day. So out of 3 ads that you have up, only 1 of them needs to make a sale to make up for the other 2. But there are days, and it's very frequent, where I have a better ratio than 1 out of every 3 ads performing well, and that's where you really, really start making a lot of money. So if you are to do this strategy, you're not going to succeed if you only have $5 a day to spend. It's really a mass bulk thing where you need to have a bunch of different $5 ads running And another benefit to this is that when you have a crap ton of these ads running, you can constantly be looking at them and you can see which ones are actually getting you a good engagement and good reach and everything, and which ones aren't. And then you can go ahead and cut the ones that aren't, because I mean, this just plays into the strategy I always talk about testing ads, right? You can't just launch one ad and then hope that it works and then cut that and launch another one. No, you need to launch 10, 20, even 30 ads at a time. Just shotgun test it and then see what sticks and cut all the ones that aren't working. So running these $5 a day ads really allow you to get fantastic testing, and then from there I would highly recommend scaling up from just $5. And the thing with PPE ads is that they scale actually a lot better, I've seen, than conversion ads. I mean, you can bump up the budget a little bit higher and it's not going to affect the optimization that they've had. So that's also just a great benefit of this. But I mean, this video is really all over the place. And the reason why I can't just give you a straight yes or no answer is because you guys need to test this. And it's not a for sure thing that, hey, I'm selling survival gear. Can I launch $5 a day ads for this like multi-tool that I'm selling and reach profit? I can't tell you that, right? That's something you really need to test. However, what I am saying here is that there are a lot of benefits to running $5 a day ads. Now you got to run a lot of them, but there are a lot of benefits, and in some cases you can even only run those $5 a day ads and you can make some very decent profit off of that. Now, like I just said a minute ago, I would definitely consider scaling the ads up once you see that they're very consistent. You know, raise them 20% every 24 hours at midnight. But really that's a whole other video on scaling that I'm gonna have to make. So just going all back, can you make money with $5 a day ads? Yes. Should you aim to do it? No. You can see a lot better results if your ads are optimizing for conversions. However, some products just don't work like that. With $5 ads, especially with PPE, really the products go viral, and that's really how I saw success, is that people would share these ads like absolute crazy. So guys, that is my take on $5 a day ads. I'm sorry if I couldn't be more specific, but it's very difficult to, really, with any aspect of Facebook ads, but especially something like a very certain strategy. It's not gonna work for everybody, so test it out. Yeah, you can make money with $5 a day ads, but don't aim for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to learn how to make a profitable Shopify business, I have a link to my course down in the description below. I also have a link to a free 14-day Shopify trial down there if you want to go ahead and get things started. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed what I said and how I said it. Check out those videos over there if you want more ideas for what to watch, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.